Hi, this is Graham Bell with Real Intent. I have the pleasure of speaking with Eric Hennenhoefer.
Yes.
From ARM. Hi, Eric.
Hello, Graham. How are you doing today?
Very good. You're, the key organizer for the Design and Verification Club. We're here in Austin in December.
Yep.
Can you tell us a little bit about the Design and Verification Club? How did it start, and what are some of its activities?
Sure. It started back in 2008. 2004. And the issue back then was there was a number of local events for designers, but there was no event for getting verification engineers together to network and to learn. And so we decided, over lunch that we really should get some people together. And so we had our first event, which we thought, hey, maybe 30 people would come to. And 75 people came to that. And shortly after getting Austin organized, because everyone's in global companies, we started getting emails from, hey, this is California, where's our DVClub, or Boston, or India? And so what I do now is I maintain the common infrastructure, web pages and email lists and newsletters. And then each of the cities is organized by local DV leads, where they bring in their peers to talk about verification problems and basically to start a conversation and also to get everyone together. So that's the intent.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the event today here in Austin?
The December event in Austin is the big event we have every year, and we have 230-ish people show up. It's held jointly with the Microprocessor Test and Verification Conference. We do a processor-centric event every December. And so today we're listening to the DV lead from AMD's Jaguar project. Basically give us a story of how they did verification and talk through the major components and talk about the challenges. And we combine that with free food and boom, you got an event.
What's the next event?
That's a great question. The biggest challenge with DVClub is finding speakers. And so we're always looking for speakers to present, and one of the things that's unique about DVClub is we only have end-user speakers. So, getting your peers to put together a presentation and stand up in front of a couple hundred people is a challenge. But it's by using that type of content as opposed to marketing content or EDA content, which really makes it stand out and be different. So I'm always looking for speakers. So if anyone wants to speak or wants to volunteer someone else to speak, I'd love to hear from them.
And the next event, is there one in Silicon Valley?
Yeah, so there is one in Silicon Valley. I can't remember the details off the top of my head. It, I believe, will be in February. So that one's on the books. You can go to DVClub, www.dvclub.org, sign up for the newsletter, and the events will go out once a month.
And is there an event in the UK?
The best way to find out about the events is to sign up for the newsletter. There is events in work in Europe. They have a club in Cambridge and Bristol, and they also broadcast to the Netherlands, and people really have a virtual event in Europe. There's also one in India, both in Bangalore and in Delhi, that happen a couple times a year. And then in Austin, there's Boston, California, and Austin that happen regularly. And so sign up for the newsletter, you'll hear about the events, tell your friends, and there we go.
What's the URL again? It's
www.dvclub.org. Yeah, on behalf of DVClub and all the participants, we really want to give our best thank you to Real Intent for joining the community. Thank you.
Eric, thanks for speaking with us today.
Okay, thank you very much.